Hello, Chris with Boise Health and Life Insurance Agency. Hey, I know we've been focusing on life insurance here, but we are a full service health and life insurance agency, helping you with your individual and group health insurance, Medicare Advantage, Medicare supplements, dental insurance, disability, annuities, and of course, life. But if it's insurance, we can probably help you out with that. We have a property and casualty division as well, where we can help you out with home auto and business insurance. Anyways, today we're going to talk about senior life insurance. So this is one of my favorite products to help out folks for those final expenses and to make sure that things are taken care of so that they can pass on peacefully, knowing that their loved ones aren't encumbered with a bunch of debt for some little things sometimes, but we'll take a look at it. So you can just come right over here, click on life insurance quotes, go to the life insurance tab in the website there, and there's actually a quote engine embedded right here in the web page, and you can start doing quotes right there. And but what we're going to do is let's just click on here, and we're going to go ahead and get going. So I'm going to use a dummy name. Well, that's actually my real name there. So I'm going to be standard here. That's a good rate. I just did a video on smokers life insurance. It does increase your rates. It's typically doubles, if not more. So just let that be known. Height and weight here, this will help us figure out a rate class or give us some guidelines. I've been a little under the weather. Hopefully I'm about 215 now. Okay, so I'm going to put in a fictional date of birth here, but you put in your real one. This should put me in about at age 58. So this will be the quote page. So from here, what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to click on permanent there. So highlight that, it will be blue. You can see how these rates change. And then for final expense, seniors life insurance, we can go down to $5,000 as a minimum face amount. And you can see that. So that's what it's going to leave you with there. And we can typically go up to about 50,000 typically. So let's just put in 30,000. That might give us a couple different products here. Yeah. So this is a fully underwritten, guaranteed universal life. This is a whole life product and the final expense. And so let's go and look at these. Let's select the final expense, and I'll tell you a little bit about. So I will need your email and your phone. Don't worry, we don't pester you here. If you don't want to talk to us, that's fine. We're just here to help. Okay, so we come in here and we take a look at the different products that we will have available. Okay, so here we can change our death benefit. So we can go down to, sometimes we just need 25,000. Final expense product there. Make sure that's selected. So that's what we mean by final expense is, or senior life insurance is basically the amount. It's basically the amount and the underwriting. So you can see here, this underwriting, there's no medical exam with this Oxford Life policy. They'll ask you some questions over the phone, and they may order records, okay? So that's gonna depend on the way you reply to their questions and the answers that they get, okay? So, and all that really means is it's gonna probably take longer, okay? But you can see that monthly rate there for 25,000 is $92.71. United of Omaha, we all know and remember them. Same thing, you're going to go through a phone call, but you're not going to need an exam. They may order medical records. Okay, these are not what I call guaranteed issue, because there can be some health issues. And then here's Gerber at $154 a month. This is no exam at all, and they may look at your medical records reviewed, but this is a guaranteed issue. It's guaranteed acceptance. Okay, no matter your health issues, you can get coverage here, and it is a graded death benefit, meaning if anything happens in the first 2 years, you're going to get your premiums plus 10%, okay, that you've paid into that policy. So it's basically the first 2 years is a return of premium type of product plus 10%. If you live past 2 years, you do get the full death benefit after that. Okay. So anyways, folks, it can be confusing. The quoter is probably sometimes not the easiest to do this with, but just send us a message and we can pop in here, let us know your budget, what you're working with, and we can work something out to make sure we try and get you some coverage and not leave your loved ones with some final expense bills and burial costs. Well, thank you and have a great day. Give us a call and visit our website.